Cody Castor, MEC140, Lab3. I'm going to show what I have on the breadboard really quick. So I got 4 wires, 4 LEDs, with 330 ohm resistors that are connected to the output pins on the board, on the Arduino. And then I have a button here that's wired up to the 5 volt coming in, and then it has a pull down resistor to clear up any noise on the input side. And then I have a 5 volt motor as well. And then if I press the button, it'll go down the lights. The first one lights up the blue LED and then turns on the motor. The second click lights up the white LED and shuts off the motor. The third press lights up the red LED and pulses the motor. And then the fourth one lights up the green LED and then the motor stays on again. The fifth one shuts off. Alright, so as for the code, I'm sure there's better ways to go about it, but I have integers set up for the LED. The LED is the button, the motor, and then I have an array for the LEDs, and then 2 more integers for the button state and then the counter. And then void setup, I assigned all the LEDs to their pins on the board, and then if they're input or output. So here's the counter for every button click. I think there's a different way to do this, because I know when I go from the 3rd step to the 4th, sometimes it doesn't go properly. So I got to figure out how to clean this up to make that more accurate and like responsive. So I got my if statements here. I did these before writing the actual code, just so I kind of like laid out all my steps. So button counter 1 through 5, and then LED 1, motor 1, LED 2, motor 2. Those are just all the programs that are going to run during like that state. And then on the last one for 5 is it resets everything, or shuts everything off. So, and then before this, you go to the bottom. So I have I forget what these are called here, but I think functions. So it just turns on the LED, so then like later on in the code, I don't have to sit here and type out LED pin high for all the different steps. So I got turn on LED, turn off LED, and then turn on motor, turn off motor. And then I can apply that up here. So let's see, yeah, so like void LED 1, which is called up top in this like upper section of code, is just turn on LED, blue LED. So that's going to use that code from the bottom. And then I have that for all 4 of the LEDs, all 4 of the steps. And then the reset just shuts everything off. And then I included the motor in this one too. And then code for motor on different steps. So you got motor on, motor off, and then this is the pulsing step. So just 250 on, 250 off. And then the 4th LED is just a motor on. So that's pretty much it.